Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with a different reaction? Today we're back with the Dairy of Rhythm. Where them I go? Vybz Kartel Jah Vinci, one of the classics them from the war. See me. You see me? Even up to today, that song is banging. Banging! Yeah. So we're there. So we react to Gully God, no chorus. So we have to react to that one because this is just an answer. You understand? It's only right? So let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Cause I'm saying
my place and my place, your place and your place. Money on me, no carry it in a waist. No long chat, y'all are no tree. Me force bullet in a boy see.
As the boss start, the boss no make one bumbuckler beat skip. The man even start before the rhythm. My place and my place, your place and your place. Gun in a hand, me no carry it in a waist. No long chat, a girl alone chase. Me bust bullet in a boy face. Yeah. As the rhythm jump out.
Cause I'm saying
my place and my place, your place and your place. Money on me, no carry it in a waist. No long chat, y'all are no tree. Me force bullet in a boy face. Mama bad boy, when she see her son, lay down on the fucking ground. She a ball and a tumble down. Them have gun, but them a no gun man.
Mama bad boy, when she see her son, lay down on the fucking ground. Them have gun, but them a no gun man. The reason why I smile when Jah Vinci just sing theme 4 bar a while ago is me see a interview with Jah Vinci where they explain that song. Yeah. So what the G say is in there they him on the road and Kartel call him and say, yo, studio ready, let's go. So him say when him reach at the studio, him hear the rhythm and play and Kartel I do for him part. And Kartel say, yo, go on in the studio now, your time. So he must say, yo, this no plan, like, me never plan for it. But him say, him in the studio, and he must say, yo, when me I go sing? And the rhythm just tell him, say, Mama ball, whoa, when you see your son, late. He must say, yo. Kartel say, yo, I eat that, you know, I eat. There we go. Here we go. Where? Mama ball, oh,
she see her son lay down on the fucking ground. She a ball and a tumble down. Them have gun, but them a no gun man.
The mother belly weak out, brother. Once you see her lay down on the ground, I take out my glasses, put on my mask, cause you're in trouble. Only in trouble.
Them should have embassy. The skeleton spray. The 6 months of
remember, Father don't say Chinese K and Russian chopstick in the no chorus one, you know. So the boss say, yo, where them I go with them Chinese K? Where them I go with that? The Askella spray, brother. That's how the teacher and singer tell you, Jah Vinci tell you.
Spray. The 6 months of
where them I go with them
Chinese K? Murder boy na the middle of the day.
Murder boy na the middle of the day. Me now wait for nights to come down. Me brawling with it. Bad with it.
Them a go with them Chinese K. Murder boy na the middle of the day. The skeleton spray. Me get rifle a USA. Them a go with them Chinese K.
Vado also say in a no chorus say him K them come from Russia and China. Boss I tell us say, yo, listen, me get my rifle them from the USA, brother. Me rifle them far from the USSA.
Me get rifle a USA.
Where?
Them a go with them Chinese.
Ready?
How we make Madden Bill Mag. This store body like number pass SIM card. From
How me make down a Madden Bill Mag? How me make them have to step up them game down a Madden? Fi store body like number pan SIM card. Similes, bro. Store your remember say you store your numbers in your SIM card, your contacts. Boss say yo, I mean make Madden Bill Mag fi store body like number pan SIM card.
Chinese. How we make Madden Bill Mag. This store body like number pass SIM card. From me small, me skin cat and kill dog.
From me small, me skin cat and kill dog, but they know something like a cruel from them time there. From them time them me act out my devilish ways, my cruel ways. Pan the animal them. Me skin cat and kill dog. Big up all the dog lovers them. This is not for no.
Bill Mag. This store body like number pass SIM card. From me small, me skin cat and kill dog. Pussy war you coulda tick like bling dog. Me and I rise up a rifle a big yard.
Hey boy, you coulda big up and tick up and guard gym and tick up like bling dog. We not care. Milan 9 rise up a rifle a big yard.
And kill dog. Pussy war you coulda tick like bling dog. Me and I rise up a rifle a big yard. Tie up on our foot with the fridge car. Kingfish say I did the devil to your palm.
Them time the Kingfisher run Jamaica. Kingfisher say yo Ade. Oh, I go on, how you so evil? Huh? What you do?
Man, me skin cat and kill dog. Pussy war you coulda tick like bling dog.
Milan 9 rise up a rifle a big yard.
Tie up on our foot with the fridge car. Kingfish say I did the devil to your palm. I fi go back a Scotland yard.
Mark she's have left from Jamaica. Mark she's have to give up the operation and left from Jamaica and go on back a Bumbleclad England. Go on a London and go on back a Scotland yard. Go on back to the police force up there. Cause we don't want you down here, brother. You have to leave. Don't get two graphics for you.
The fridge car, Kingfish say I did the devil to your palm. I fi go back a Scotland yard. Me no fling dumb, me no more amidale. This bad man you have to say sorry a days.
Me no fling tough, me no fling Tom, brother. Me no Mike McCallum, me no Anthony Joshua, me no Lennox Lewis, me no Muhammad Ali, brother, me no boxer. Yeah, this bad man, you have to say sorry, Adi. You have to apologize to the teacher.
Me no fling dumb, me no more amidale. This bad man, you have to say sorry, Adi. Sky kill people that are over a base. Me go down there, you can't rake. Me no lip and chase, me no girl, me no brick and lace. Gunshot.
Big up brick and lace. What? One of them. One of the brick and lace. Eh? Long time I don't hear nothing from one, you know.
No more amidale. This bad man, you have to say sorry, Adi. Sky kill people that are over a base. Me go down there, you can't rake. Me no lip and chase, me no girl, me no brick and lace. Gunshot me use kick off your bones. You have a one pop, me have a clip for waist. And that's mine, I get a shot for taste.
Me no brick and lace, me no girl, me no lip and chase. The man said, "Bout you have a one pop, me have a clip for waist. So that's mine, I get a shot for tears." Remember saying, don't tell us a gunshot, I go kick off your face in a dog. Eh?
Kick off your bones, you have a one pop, me have a clip for waist.
So that's mine, I get a shot for tears.
Them should have members say, the Askel spray. This is sponsor play.
Where?
Them a go with them Chinese kids. Murder one of the big laddie.
There.
The Askel spray. Me get rifle a USA. Where them a go with them Chinese kids. Me have the one from Russia, the Soviet. And when me see thousands soldiers, me do fresh.
The boss go back and tell us, say, yo, him have the one from Russia, the Soviet Union, the Russian KCM, me have the one there, the Soviet. Yeah. Me have the one from Russia. Man say, all when him see 1,000 soldier, him don't fret, him not afraid. Him not eat breadfruit, him not have a ounce of cord in him body. No, me not build up like that, no. Me have the one from Russia, the Soviet. And when me see 1,000 soldier, me don't fret. Set it for single and play, keep them not ready for the rapid when it turn up like Soviet. Set it for single and bake it. Them not ready for the rapid, brother, when it turn up. Them not ready for the rapid yet. So what go on? Let me just go and set it for single, dog. Let me just go and set it for single and just go and tease it and just go and bake it for them boy. Because they're not ready.
I mean, do first set it for single and bake it. Them not ready for the rapid when it turn up like Soviet. Me no animal doctor, me no pet. Me take life, so me no afraid for no death. When
the boss say, yo, me take life. Me is a life taker, so me not afraid for death. Me not afraid for no death. Me know say one day it go forward, but before it forward, me go kill some of them pussy before. That is what teacher say, not me.
So get me no animal doctor, me no pet. Me take life so me no afraid fi know dead. When
Me no animal doctor, me don't pet. You know pet people. You know laugh and pet up with people. No, me live on that.
I so get me no animal doctor, me no pet. Me take life so me no afraid fi know dead. When the blood clot shot your board chest, people are black road and protest.
When them rifle your board chest, brother, people, I hear a cuff, people are black road and a protest. I say, yo, no shouldn't kill him a good youth. No, he's not a good youth. He's a gun bag. He's an idiot. He's a fool. Him go take a point angle and look and reach him.
When the blood clot shot your board chest, people are black road and protest.
Have them ya.
Hold them ya. Dr. Officer Bacana, hold them ya.
The man say, yo, have them ya, hold them ya. You know, officer, please. Me I give it to them. I'm giving you them. When doctor see them hold them say, what that? What do this? Remember say the man them have a gun when it bust, you know. You know a gun name? The gun name what that? What that?
Black road and protest.
Have them ya.
Hold them ya.
Dr. Officer
What kind of hold them ya?
Eagle mode triangle like a board hanger. If
Eagle mode triangle like a coat hanger, brother. You know the wire hanger them? Triangle looking one them with the hook up on the top? Yeah. I saw them out of the eagle look. Yeah.
hold them ya. Dr. Officer Bacana, hold them ya. Eagle mode triangle like a board hanger. If I'm on them before four, brother.
Me brother don't kill, we kill him own brother. Come me shoot boy in front me own mother.
Man say better than Cain will kill him own brother. Remember in the Bible them say Cain kill Abel. The man say yo him better than Cain will kill him own brother and him shoot boy in front of him own mother. Mommy, you see that? Mommy?
Four, brother.
Me brother don't kill, we kill him own brother. Come me shoot boy in front me own mother. You this a Max feel and dead, cause you never try no drama with the chrome bomber.
You this a Max feel and dead because you never tried no Brahma with the chrome hammer.
Own mother, you this a Max feel and dead, cause you never try no drama with the chrome bomber.
Them should have remember say the Kartel spray.
The 6 months of play.
Wait!
Them a go with them Chinese kids.
Murder one of the middle of the.
The Kartel spray.
Me get rifle a USA.
Where them a go with them Chinese kids.
That rhythm is one of the classics from the Genius. Every song pan a rhythm a bang. Every song pan a rhythm a from the Busy Signal them, the I don't know them, the Black them. Every song pan a rhythm a. This is my favorite rhythm from Steven. This is my favorite rhythm up to there, bro. Like me know every song pan a rhythm a dog. I swear. Yeah, Bad Bumbo Clot song. This was when the war was hot, hotter than before, hotter like summer in Egypt. Hot, shit. Yeah. Hey! We got my teacher. We got Ja Vinci. Said we. Don't know. This is how we're going to do still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, just let me know in the comment section. Is it?
Jamaica's worst game.